humiliating loss.
Yun na nga, no? Sinasabi natin, to Pure Foods were actually down by as much as 35 points in that ball game. And they were never really in contention sa ball game na yun. At ngayon nga, well, after that ego-shattering loss, ito naman, makakabangga naman nila. Itong Coca-Cola Tigers, big leaders pa. So a lot of focus ang kailangan dito ng Pure Foods, TJ Giants as we get going with this ball game. Ito pong Coca-Cola Tigers starting off with Copeland, Sabatnot, Dixon, Gatti, and Taolava. On the other hand, ito naman pong Pure Foods, TJ Giants with Roger Yap, Peter Junsimon, Raldini, James Yap, and Kirby Raimundo.
Kita mo naman si Coach Frankie Gorel needing some offense. Pinasok agad yung tatlo niyang top local scorers. Nandiyan si PJ Simon. Usually, natawag natin super sub yan. Pero in this ball game, napaka-importante. From a 60-point output, andyan kagad si PJ Simon.
Itong Pure Foods TJ Giants starting off in a zone defense kagad ang panggulat nila dito sa Coca-Cola Tigers. Ito may Sabatnot goes inside, penetrates the zone defense and gets a basket.
You know, the defense of the Pure Foods TJ Giants early on, they have to balance it. May dalawang malaki talaga na very dominant in Dixon and Taolava. And of course, yung mga guardia, hindi mo naman pwedeng pabayaan lang kagaya nung ginawa nitong si Cabagnot in that last offensive thrust.
Here's Ralini, turn around, no good. Rebound to Asi Taolava. Ito na si Donald Copeland. Cabagnot, libreng-libre sa Torres. Walog lang. Peter Junsimon racing down court. Sinalubo ni Copeland. Good side-stepping moves from PJ Simon.
4 points kagad lahat. Galing kay PJ Simon para sa Pure Foods TJ Giants. A good sign, very important in the first quarter. Of course, to get the confidence of these TJ Giants back after that shattering loss.
Alam mo, talagang I'm sure pinag-usapan nila yung nangyari dyan. And I think, delikado rin for the Coca-Cola Tigers, facing a team na talagang napahiya nung last ball game. And ang mindset nila is talagang makabawi. So extra focus. Extra focused itong team na to ngayon facing the Coca-Cola Tigers. And you can see, even nung kanina naka-layup itong Pure Foods, yung mga players on the bench nakatayo kagad, cheering them on. You can see, kakaiba yung intensity na pinapakita dito ng Pure Foods, which they need and facing itong Coca-Cola.
And it has to be at the start. Kailangan 48 minutes silang maghahanap ng ganung klaseng intensity.
Gatti inside to Dixon. Ito, pinundol muna to si Ralini. This is a good matchup itong si Jason Dixon and Reda Ralini. As a first foul on Ralini.
It's actually their bread and butter play, itong Coca-Cola Tigers. We've seen him, itong si Jason Dixon, take control of ball games, especially in the fourth quarter. Now, in the first quarter, you may say, bakit ginagawa niya yan? He's trying to establish some sort of physical presence inside. Yung post presence na kailangan magsag sa kanya para ma-open up itong sina Copeland, si Cabagnot, and of course, si Cesar Catley. We know that they are there to shoot those open three-pointers. And it starts, syempre, kailangan sa loob. Meron kang dominant player sa loob, malilibre yung mga outside shooters nila.
We're all tied at 4. Ito ngayon si Roger Yap to Ralini, top of the key. PJ Simon guarded by Copeland. A jump shot by Peter Junsimon, maikli. Ito nang Taolava with a rebound. Tumatakbo dito ang Coca-Cola Tigers. Copeland, hindi pala tira rin itong si Donald Copeland. Jason Dixon, good jumper short. Agawa ng bola, napunta kay Roger Yap. Lead pass to Peter Junsimon. Good defense here by Alex Cabagnot. Feeding that ball away from Simon. Copeland goes baseline. Good move. At humarang nga dito si Kirby Raimundo.
The only thing Kirby Raimundo could do was try to stop the play kasi nga nakita natin pasugod na ito si Donald Copeland. Samantalang itong Pure Foods TJ Giants, they're trying too hard. Meron na silang 3 turnover. 4 na turnover dito very early into the ball game. Only 8 minutes to 24 still remain at may 4 na silang turnover.
Balik sila dito sa poste kay Dixon. Almost a steal by Roger Yap. Good ball movement dito by the Coca-Cola Tigers. Hindi lang tinapos yan ni Cesar Cati. They just move, yeah. Twirls. Pero may bumangga. You know, to Pure Foods TJ Giants, oh, not holding any punches. I think this is the strongest five for this team starting ngayon for Pure Foods. Baga, kung opensa talaga yung kulang, eto na, lahat na.
Naghahanap ng opensa ito mga to. Ayan. Lahat ng mga big guns nila nandyan. Kasama silang lahat.
The challenge here will be yung mga players coming off the bench, no? Production after this starting unit.
Ayan naman si Roger Yap with his first 2 points. Yun na nga, ito si PJ Simon dubbed as the super sub. Ano? Hindi na siya pwedeng maging super sub ngayon dahil nag-i-start na siya para sa TJ Giants.
Pedro F. Donald Copeland with TM Torres.
Sino may sabing masama ang kanyang field goal? Maganda naman yung tira. No? Hindi pa pinipilit ang mga tira ni Donald Copeland. First 3-point shot of the ballgame.
Kirby Raimundo. Pass intended for Simon. Lumabas.
Yeah, pangalawa ni Kirby Raimundo yung turnover niyan, and it's the 5th of the TJ Giants. They're coming off